Hello students, welcome. Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir's MSG Junior College, Malegaon Camp. Department of Biology, E-Content Development Department. Myself Anand Joshi, Assistant Teacher from Department of Biology with my YouTube channel Anand Joshi Biology. Friends, today we are going to perform practical number 1, that is demonstration of osmosis by potato osmoscope. It is going to be your first practical for 12th standard. Now osmosis is a special type of diffusion of liquids. Now you know that diffusion is the free mixing of atoms, ions and molecules from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. Now when two solutions of different concentration are separated by a selectively permeable membrane, diffusion of water or solvent, it occurs from solution of lower concentration to the solution of higher concentration. Now this process in physiology is described as osmosis. In other words, osmosis is the diffusion of water or solvent from a region of its higher concentration to the region of its lower concentration through a selectively permeable membrane. Now this can be also expressed as movement of water from its higher energy of water to the water potential to a region of lower energy. In simple words, osmosis is the movement of molecules from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration or vice versa across a semi-permeable membrane. To understand the concept of osmosis in better manner, we require the information about hypertonic, hypotonic and isotonic solutions. Here is an slide that will explain the concept of hypotonic solution, isotonic solution as well as the hypertonic solution. Now you imagine a system in which an aqueous solution A is with high concentration of solute is separated by a selectively permeable membrane from an aqueous solution B with a low concentration of solute. Now solution A is said to be hypertonic to solution B and solution B is said to be hypotonic to solution A. In this situation, there will be a net movement of water or solvent molecules through a membrane from hypotonic solution to the hypertonic solution by the process of osmosis. Now this will continue until there is an equilibrium which is maintained or it is achieved. And then we'll go for the demonstration of actual osmosis by using potato osmoscope. Now for this experiment, we require a potato peeler, knife, paper pins, glass container, water, sugar solution and some color solution. Now these are the basic requirements where you can have the potato which is of mid size, say around 75 to 80 grams. Then this potato, it should be unharmed. A potato peeler, then a knife to cut it in a proper shape to prepare potato osmoscope. This is the glass container. Then a bowl for making the sugar solution. Sugar, we use the sucrose solution here. And some natural colorant material that is prepared from beetroot, so that very easily you can able to locate the exact movement of the water molecule which are mixed with the color. So these are the basic requirements for potato osmoscope. So aim of our practical is the demonstration of osmosis in a living system that can be using a potato osmoscope. For procedure, a potato is peeled. One side is flattened which serve as the base and a cavity is made into the potato and this cavity is filled with concentrated sugar solution and a pin mark is made indicating the initial level of solution within the potato osmoscope. Now this potato is then placed in a beaker containing colored water for some time, say for about 30 minutes, and that coloring water, it is prepared from the beetroot. Now here you can see the actual process where we are going to peel the potato off. Now you should take care while peeling off the potato so that you should not get harmed, because the peelers are usually very sharp. And you can help your mother or sister in the kitchen by learning this technique of peeling the potatoes. Here the peeling is almost completed. Then with the help of a sharp knife, a base is cut so that the potato osmoscope can stand erect within our solution. Now both the surfaces of potato are cut flat so that it can stand in our solution. Now with the help of peeler, we are going to make a well, a hollow cavity within this potato. Now this is the proper method of preparing a well within the potato osmoscope. The care should be taken that the potato should not get cut across the borders. Even you can use some scalpel for this peeling off and creating a well within this potato. Now this is the perfectly prepared potato osmoscope. And then we have put some concentrated sugar solution within the well, and then this potato is kept within the solution containing beetroot juice so that it can be very easily identified. Now after about half an hour, if we check the level of sugar solution, we can observe that the sugar solution within the cavity of potato osmoscope has become colored due to inward movement of water, and the sugar level or sugar solution level rises. After certain period of time, say half an hour, if you observe the level of sugar solution within the potato osmoscope, which was initially marked by a paper pin, now the level has increased almost around 2 to 3 millimeters, and that rise in the sugar level or sugar solution level within the potato osmoscope, it is due to the inward movement of water from outside solution into the well. Now for this purpose, the potato is acting as a selectively permeable membrane, and from this selectively permeable membrane, the water movement occur inside, increasing the level of sugar solution. Now as far as inference is concerned, this particular potato osmoscope experiment has proved that the entry of water into sugar solution through potato tissue, which is acting as a selectively permeable membrane, which show the process of osmosis. So friends, this was your first experimental practical, and that is demonstration of osmosis by potato osmoscope. Here with my YouTube channel Anand Joshi Biology, I am Anand Joshi, assistant teacher in biology from the MSG Junior College, Department of Biology. Thank you.